guys, Moika's Crafts here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this hairstyle. They're cute ponies. So this is how they look. And this is how it looks from the front. So the things that you require to make this hairstyle are 2 normal rubber bands, 2 thin rubber bands, a comb and any 2 kinds of designer pins. So let's see how to make this hairstyle. So the first step is to divide the hair into 2 equal parts. Then we're going to put one side into a pony so that they both don't get mixed up. Then in the front we're going to take a small part of hair and we're going to divide it into 3 parts and start braiding it. So after braiding it should look like this, which I made on this side. So I'm going to finish this side and show you guys. So after you're done braiding it till the last, we're just going to take a thin rubber band and place it like this. Next what we're going to do is we're just going to leave this here. Next we're going to take the opposite sides one, grab all the hair on this side, so you just have to comb it properly into a low pony. Then take one of your rubber bands, include this into it and join it together. So after you put it into a pony, we're just going to remove this rubber band, remove the braid and make it proper. Then you're going to do the same with this side, just overlap it on this one and then put it into this pony. So now I'm going to show you how it looks. So after you're done making this, we're going to take a small section from one of the sides, take a thin rubber band and then put it a little bit near to the upper rubber band, just leaving a little bit space from it, like this. Next we're going to divide this into half, pull this through it, like this. Next with the divided section, just pull it up like this and put it there. Then you can take one of your designer pins and then put it through this, like this. We're going to do the same for the other side. So we're going to take a small bit, take a thin rubber band. By leaving just a little bit space from the first one, we're going to put this. Next we're going to divide this into half, pull itself through it. Then place it up like this, take one of your pins and push through to hold. So now it should look like this, and this is how your hairstyle should finally look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then. Bye. So the answer to the previous riddle is B. This is because in whichever way you add it, horizontally or vertically, your sum should be 17. So in that way 2 plus 5 is 7 and then 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 plus 7 is 17, and only this B piece has 6 in this area, so B is the answer. And this is the next puzzle. So you have to follow this arrow and go all the way like this, and you should fill in the blank spaces with arithmetic signs, and after you calculate everything your answer should be equal to 7. So let's see who can get the answer.